Texas's Supreme Court Chief Justice delivered his State of the Judiciary speech yesterday. What was the big takeaway? Zoom is here to stay for court proceedings. Good morning and welcome to VS News Desk. I'm Anna Summersett, and here's a look at legal news making headlines for March 24, 2021. On Tuesday, Chief Justice Hecht delivered his biennial State of the Judiciary address. He called on the Texas legislature to update laws to ensure remote access to courtrooms will continue long after the coronavirus is tamed. Hecht said an unexpected benefit of switching to remote proceedings was increased participation in the legal process. He said the remote proceedings are more efficient, more cost-effective, and will continue to play a role in the new normal. According to Hecht, appearance rates in high-volume dockets, such as traffic cases and child custody cases, went from 80% no-shows to 80% appearances during the pandemic. He said people limited by income, childcare, transportation, or job needs were able to go to court by clicking on a link or dialing in a smartphone. Another advantage of remote proceedings? You can watch them online, he said, giving the public a ringside seat into every courtroom, increasing transparency and accountability. However, Hecht acknowledged that felonies and complex criminal matters that require jury trials can't be handled remotely. He said jury trial dockets are backlogged and will take 3 years to catch up. In 2019, Texas courts tried roughly 9,000 cases to verdict. In the past year, pandemic, only 239. Hecht said he asked the legislature for increased funding for courts to allow safe, in-person jury trials and visiting retired former judges to decongest the dockets. The Chief Justice also outlined a number of other legislative priorities. He renewed his previous calls to reform the cash bail system. He said the current system allows potentially dangerous defendants with more money to await trial out of jail, while incarcerating low-risk defendants facing minor offenses who simply can't afford it. Finally, Hecht said the justice system would begin collecting data and self-reflect on potential racial biases in the system and encourage better training for judges. Hecht's Secretary State of the Judiciary speech, which is normally delivered to a joint session of the legislature, was instead streamed online yesterday. And that's a true sign of the times. Thanks for joining us today on VS News Desk, the place you turn to for the latest legal news. For more information, be sure to read our VS News Desk blog on our website, versustexas.com. I'm Anna Summersett, and thanks for watching.